They're expensive. I didn't realize how expensive they are. But they're very expensive. Like $1,000 expensive to replace this back window. Looking at different ways that I could, build this. Trying to think of a way to build a frame, all that stuff, out of metal, out of what? If I want to make it out of fiberglass, if I want to add a window back in. And we're on the drawing board for that. But then I'm looking here, and then I see that. It's a steel frame underneath there. And it looks pretty damn close to the exact same shape. That could be promising. That could be promising. I'm gonna go ahead and strip this down, kind of getting an idea of what I'm working with. I gotta take off these hinges, and that's just 4 13mm bolts. Pinch, you kind of pull it out. It's like a little hoop. This one's just that. Pinch here, and they'll pop right out. That's that. We'll call that a work in progress. I'm gonna pull that down. Nope. Stay tuned. Just a quick note on my rear seat delete. You guys remember how I mentioned unconventional building materials? So, the platform idea that I've got for this is going to be made out of a shopping cart base that I found. But more on that after.